So what is sustainability? Well, at a micro level, it's the planet's ability to be able to maintain resources at a certain rate. Here's 5 tips to get you started today. Harnessing the sun's energy is a key part to living more sustainably, and a big first step in the right direction is installing a solar system on your roof. Solar installs vary in complexity depending on your roof type and the pitch, but if you have the budget, providers like Origin have a range of packages to suit your household energy needs. Update your light globes to energy-saving LEDs. According to Origin, these use up to 75% less energy than traditional light globes. Heating and cooling makes up around 40% of household energy usage. Creating effective cross-ventilation is the key to cooling your home naturally. So where you can, add fly screens to your doors and windows and open them up. Look into double glazing or low E performance glass like the homeowners have installed here. This will help reduce heat loss through windows. There are many benefits of adding plant life to our homes. They help clean the air, and most importantly, they help reconnect us back with nature. Adding a green wall like the one behind me serves a dual purpose. It helps reintroduce biodiversity back into the area and acts as an insulator between the sun and your home. And whether you're renting or you own your own home, composting is a great way to help reduce food waste and create awesome fertiliser for your plants. There are countertop options available for those who have got limited space, and there are even groups out there who will take your organic waste once the bin is full. The biggest change to be more sustainable is your mindset. Being more conscious of your energy consumption will definitely have a big impact. Switch off lights when you leave a room. Take shorter showers. If you're cold, put on a jumper before you try and switch on the heater. Breaking energy habits isn't easy, but it's these simple things that can have the biggest impact of all.